Namaskar students. In this class, we will do the study of different brushes of MS Paint. In the last class, we have done the study of different tools of toolbox. In this class, we will do the study of brushes. So, let's start. At first, I will draw a box with the help of pencil tool. Now I will just click on this arrow. When I will click on this arrow, I will get different type of brushes here. So at first, I will tell you the name of all the brushes. The first one is simple brush. The second one is calligraphy brush 1. Third one is calligraphy brush 2. Next one is airbrush. Next one is oil brush. Near the oil brush, we are having the crayon brush. Near the crayon brush, we are having the marker brush. Then we are having natural pencil brush. Then the last one, watercolor brush. So what is the difference between all these brushes? We will do the study of all the brushes one by one. So at first, I will start with simple brush. When I will click on simple brush, and now I am choosing the color. You can see here I am having different color. So when I am just choosing it, when I am using the brush and when I am choosing the color, I can fill the color in the drawing. You can see here my line is coming very thin. So if you want to make it thick, that time what you have to do is from near the color one, you are having the size here. So when you will click on this size, so here by choosing the thick size, you can choose the thicker brush size from here. Now you can fill the color like this. You can see. So I have filled this much color here. Now I am coming to the second brush. The second brush is calligraphy brush 1. With the help of calligraphy brush, you can write your name in very good style. So you can see here I am just writing MS Paint here. You can see I am just writing MS Paint. It is like a pen. So whatever I will write, it will come very sharp. You can see here I have written here MS Paint. I am just writing. I have written here MS Paint. There are two calligraphy brush 1 and calligraphy brush 2. What is the difference? I am just showing it to you. I am just choosing the calligraphy brush 2 now. Now I am choosing the different color. I am choosing this one color. Now a little bit difference is there. The difference is the sharpness. You can see what is the difference here. A little bit difference is there. You can also change the size from here according to your choice, but I don't want to take the thicker one, so I am just taking this one only. I am just writing here. You can see the sharpness of the text we can get with the help of calligraphy brush. Now I am coming to the next one, that is airbrush. With the help of airbrush, you can see this type of effect will come. You can see here. If I want this type of effect here, the same thing. If you want to increase the size, you can see this type of airbrush effect will come with the help of airbrush. If you want this type of effect in your drawing, that time you can choose this brush. Now I am coming to the next one. Next one is oil brush. When we do the coloring with the help of oil brush, that time a different effect will come. You can see when I am drawing with the help of oil brush, this type of effect will come. Is it looking good? I am just taking the different color so that you can understand it properly. You can see I am just using this color. So this type of effect will come. This effect is similar to the oil painting. So you can see here with the help of oil brush you can see this type of effect. Now I am coming to the next one, that is crayon. I hope everybody have used the crayon brush. So when we are using the crayon brush, which type of effect will come? This type of effect will come. You can see here. Whatever type of effect you will get with the help of crayons, the same type of effect you can get here with the help of crayon brush. You can see here. The same type of effect you can get here. Now I am coming to the next brush. This one is marker. Have you ever used the marker? So what type of effect will come? This type of effect will come. You can see. If you are writing with the help of marker, that time this type of effect will come when you are writing with the help of marker. So if you want this type of effect in your drawing, you can use the marker. Now the next one is natural pencil. Everybody have used the natural pencil. So when you are drawing with the help of pencil, that time the color will be lighter. You can draw anything with the help of, you can do freehand drawing with the help of natural pencil brush, and you can see the color is very light color is coming. When I am using different brushes, that time the color will be dark, but when I am using the natural pencil, that time the color will be very light. Now the last one is watercolor brush. Have you ever done the coloring with the help of watercolor? Yes or no? If you have done, very good. That time you will be able to understand it. If you are not able to understand, if you have not done, that time you can see how the coloring effect will come when we are using the watercolor brush. You can see this type of effect will come with the help of watercolor. I'm just showing it to you with the help of other color also. You can see this type of transparent effect will come with the help of watercolor. So I hope you all are able to understand the uses of different brushes. So just do the practice of all the brushes and try to draw any drawing with the help of these brushes.